So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit ng themes sa ating CC app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating CC app. So i-back lang natin siya. And dito mula sa pinakang chats, i-tap nyo lang dito yung inyong profile. So tap nyo lang yung profile na nandito sa lower right corner. And after nyo guys, dito sa inyong profile, i-tap nyo naman yung settings button. And after yung matap yung settings buttons guys, ganito yung lalabas. So mapupunta tayo sa pinakang settings. So itatap nyo lang dito yung theme. So nandito sa pinakang unahan or taas. And ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, naka-light mode yung ating theme. So, para maging dark mode, itap nyo lang yung dark. And automatic yan guys, nagiging dark mode na yung ating themes dito sa CC. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpalit ng themes sa ating CC app. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life every day,